morning. How are you today? Wolfie's doing okay. So I thought I'd take you through the workshop and show you what we've got to play with today. As you can see, got an RX7 in for a power flow system. We're going to take away this shabby old sort of DIY made system that's here, and we're going to replace it with a nice solid power flow system. What we've got on here, we've got 4-inch already. We're going to replace it with 4-inch and make this bad boy sound and look a lot better. Yeah, so we're going to check back on this in a little while, people. We're going to see how the boys are getting on. I reckon this is a day's worth of graft. Why? Because it's got to be perfect. Why? Because this is a track car. This beast goes around the track sideways. We've got to think about decibel levels and everything else as well. So it's not just a normal stick on a back box just to sort of make it sound good or look good. There's other technical issues that we've got to deal with when building this system. So like I said, people, we'll check back in on it in a little while and we'll see how the boys are getting on, and hopefully later I get to test drive this. So peace out. Hello people, as you can see, the RX7 is complete. Let me take you underneath so you can have a little look at how we had to do these bends. Yeah, now take the ramp down and fire her up so the viewers at home can have a little listen. Also what we've done is we've given the tip a slight angle down, just because of the fumes, etc. Right, that'll do. I should be able to reach in there. I should be able to reach in. Yeah? There you have it, people. 4-inch power flow done. That's it, you reach that side. You dream it, people. We create it. That's what we do.